Hi buddies, welcome to this new tutorial. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, which is when to submit a manuscript. Indeed, during our seminar sessions, people frequently ask what is the right time to submit a manuscript. So today we are going to answer this question. At least we're going to try answering this question. But before we get the ball rolling, you guys should know that submitting the manuscript during this lucky period doesn't ensure any publication. You guys should suitably prepare your manuscript in terms of content and format. You can check our video in the description about how to bring innovation in research. That's a really nice video as well. So let's get started. What is important to know is that you guys can submit your manuscript to the journal of your choosing at any time of the year, as long as your manuscript is ready, as we just said. Then again, according to a popular legend, manuscripts receive more acceptance around Christmas and New Year celebration period. Yeah, that's pretty much late November, mid-February. And according to the same legend, reviewers and editors are happier during that period and so less strict. So the likeliness of a paper to be rejected during that period of time is somehow reduced. So you guys should check it. It will probably work for you as well. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.